multiplication with an arrow going that way, division with an arrow going that way. Somebody help me out here. Don't worry. Wait for the day. Oh, it's fast today. Take a look, see here. Should we do it in a triangle? No. Let's do it. Oh, wait, we'll do it in a triangle. Let's say you are asked to do this. Let's say you are asked to convert convert 16 quarts to pints or pins. Depending on where you're from in the United States, no, nobody says it is pins, it's all pints. If you are asked to do that, you could take out your handy-dandy little equivalent measurements charts, find the conversion that has quarts and pints in it. So I do a little scouring here. Do I see quarts and pints? Yes, right here. You see this? Quarts and pints. Now you are either, when you have pints and quarts, you're either asked to go from pints to quarts or back from quarts to pints. Which one are you asked to do? I'm going from quarts back to pints. So I'm using the arrow that does this, which is this arrow, which means I am going to multiply by whatever number I see there. That's not a 1. So you're just going to take 16 and multiply by 2. Everybody seems like they know that they're going to use 2 somewhere because you know that there are 2 pints in a quart. But even I, after 25 years of math, sometimes forget whether it's multiplying or dividing. And this just helps you. Or you could look at little metric Mr. Gallon over there, but unfortunately Mr. Gallon doesn't help you when it's feet to yards or inches because Mr. Gallon is not measurements in length, he's measurements in capacity. Okay, so that should help you there. Another example, let's say you have, let's say you're changing miles. Let's say I'm going from 6 miles to kilometers. So you look on your little chart and you find the miles to kilometers thing, which is this one. Okay. So you know that you're going to do something with 1.6. You're either going to multiply by 1.6 or divide by 1.6. To figure out which one that is, you are going from miles to kilometers. You're going in this direction, which means it is this arrow here, which means you are actually going to divide by 1.6. 6 miles divided by 1.6 would give you what? Now, does that make sense to you? Isn't? I'm going from miles to kilometers, so I divide by 1.6. Oh, yeah, will I get a bigger number than 1.6 or a smaller number these days? What is 6 divided by 1.6? 0.3? I'm sorry. It should be 3. Move this over into that order. 3 is 48. And what do you get? 20? 120? This would be 0.38 something. I'm not going to do this. Does that make sense to you? Look to see which way you're going. If you're going from ounces to pounds, you're going this way, you are going to divide. If you're going from pounds to ounces backwards, you are going to multiply. Right? Because if you have 6 pounds, how many ounces is that going to be? Well, I'm going from pounds backwards to ounces, I'm going to multiply by 16, and that would be 6 times 16. You kids need to be, I'm going to give you some multiplication tables here, because you should do this. 6 times 16, 96. Yeah, you guys are killing me. Let me give you one more. You seem to be a bit sluggish today, children. Is there a reason? Tired for what? After who? Oh, so I should have Mrs. Stone not let you play anything. No. Let's do this. How about this? 2,000 kilograms equals how many grams? Tell me what the answer to that would be. 2,000 kilograms equals how many grams? $2,000 kilograms equals how many grams? Do I have an answer there? It should be pretty easy because you're like working with 1,000. So you're either going to multiply by 1,000 or divide by 1,000 people. Don't get no easier than that. David? David says never mind. The confidence is overwhelming here. Alex?
200,000 grams.
200,000 grams. Why isn't it not 2 million? Alright, so here, going back to what I told you to do. Kilograms, grams, right? That's this one right here?
Yeah.
Kilograms to grams. You are going from kilograms backwards to this way, so you are going to multiply, which that's what I think Alex did, he just didn't multiply right. What is 2,000 times 1,000? It's a 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. It should be 2 million. How many people had 2 million? Let me give you another one. How about 18 yards equals how many feet? 18 yards equals how many feet? 18 yards equals how many feet? Speculate. Long weekend, by the way.
Yes.
Hot. Long weekend. Kayleen says.
54 feet.
Oh boy. Anybody disagreeing with Kayleen? Somebody do we have 6? Perfect. That's what I like to hear. Yeah. Yards to feet. Where are we at here? It's this one. You are going from yards backwards to feet, so that means you're multiplying, so it's 18 times that number 3, which is 54. How about this one? 300 centimeters to meters. 300 centimeters to meters. What is going on?
Probably.
6th grade always gets the logic. It's not 6th grade, is it? Your parents don't take big dollars for you to come and watch videos. You can do that at home. Big dollars so you can do measurements. Converting measurements. Noah Clausing says 300 centimeters is how many meters?
3 meters.
3. Raise your hand if you agree. Let's check and see. So here it is. 300 centimeters, 2 meters. You're going from centimeters, 2 meters, so you're going this way, which means you are dividing. 300 divided by 100 is, in fact, 3. Later on, you won't have to think about this because we will do conversions a different way, but for right now, this should get you home, I think. I hope. Because you're smart enough, right? Alright, for tomorrow, then, children.